Hey, fellow marketers, exciting news from HubSpot. They've just unleashed a powerhouse of AI tools designed to transform the way you create campaigns. Let me break it down for you. Website Assistant? Need a website in a flash. HubSpot's got you covered. With a few simple details, this tool crafts a stunning one-page website in seconds. Campaign Assistant. Say goodbye to writer's block. This free iWizard generates compelling copy for landing pages, emails, and social media. Just plug in your campaign details and watch the magic happen. Content Assistant. Crafting engaging emails just got easier. HubSpot's AI helps you create captivating email copy right within the email editor. No need to leave HubSpot. It's all right at your fingertips. Email Assistant. Struggling with subject lines? HubSpot's got your back. With a single click, generate attention-grabbing subject lines effortlessly. Social Assistant. Crafting social media posts can be time-consuming, right? Not anymore. HubSpot's AI-powered social assistant tailors engaging posts to your networks. Just add a few words and let the magic unfold. With these AI tools, HubSpot makes campaign creation effortless, efficient, and effective. No more stress, just seamless marketing. Ready to dive in? Start building your next campaign now.